Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about computer-based controls authorization, part of database management system course. Authorization is a computer-based control that is used in a database to manage access to the data and to ensure that only authorized users or processes are able to access the data. There are several types of authorizations that can be used in a database, including user-based authorization. User-based authorization is based on the identity of the user accessing the data. This can include measures such as user accounts and passwords, which are used to authenticate the user and grant or deny access to the data based on their permissions. Role-based authorization is based on the role or function of the user accessing the data. This can include measures such as assigning users to specific groups or roles and granting or denying access to the data based on the permissions of the group or roles. Object-based authorization is based on the specific data or resources being accessed. This can include measures such as assigning permissions to specific data or resources and granting or denying access based on the permissions of the users or process. Authorization is an important aspect of database security as it helps to ensure that the data is accessed and modified only by authorized users or processes. By implementing appropriate authorization controls, it is possible to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data in a database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.